Nano? Ah, doon na ko na namon. Kompleto na, okay na. Hello, Stephanie Ragrag. Maka na to,
Resort, and it's a good thing to see that all of us come together right here in this venue for a very one good reason, and that is for us to celebrate our first ever Alberto Horta Grande Reunion. And so I must say that I am very much grateful and thankful for having me here today. I love the person. Mga simarong kita ng sa family. Alright! Oh! Bago na! Sige! Ito! Alright! Alright, thank you so much! Walang mamaranig pa din iwatin ko. Alright, nasaan mo yung Enrique family? Ah, hindi na ba? Bata-bata pa man inihira. Tukar, maestro! Bata pa yun ang tago. Hi naman, Andy Casio family! Adi. Magkakapitulan kita. Alright! Maximino family, where are you? Special number for all of you.
Araw-araw ikaw ang gusto kong kasama. Buhay ko'y kumpleto na tuwing nandito ka sa tabi ko o aking giliw. Di ba din ako makapaniwala na ang dating kong pangarap agad totohanan na. Ikaw ang tanging inspirasyon at basta't nandito ka ako'y liligaya. Dahil sa'yo ako'y matapang, dahil sa'yo ako'y lalaban, dahil sa'yo pagmamahal na walang katapusan. Dahil sa'yo mayroong pangarap, ang mahal ko sa iyong tapat. Dahil sa'yo pagmamahal.
Alright! Sipa! Boy, you think? Alright, thank you so much! Palakpakan natin ng bugos na Horta and Magdalena family. You will go back to your seats. Kamo kasalamat sa iyong matanan. Pas nila pinarumaman. Hita mga simaron!
Kuya Benji and Bernel from Donato family. I'm sorry ha, kasi and also Freddy from Donato family. Ito yung Cebu na nagsama-sama. I'm sorry to the first generation kasi ang hirap pagsama-samahin only through messenger because ang lalayo natin. At least we're here, we're united. It depends upon your skin, dark, white, you know, at least we're all here together. Hopefully, this is going to be the start. And I also appreciate that from Cebu, they all went here, Kuya Tata, Kuya Jojo, and all of you are all here from Manila, from Taytay, Ate Beng from Taguig, and Ate Virgie. All of, kung sinong hindi ko nabanggit, I'm sorry, thank you for coming. At least, maybe I told everyone that we can have an officer at least every 3 years. We can do this because it's really hard financially, you know, to reunite everyone. Again, maraming salamat sa lahat ng dumating and have fun!
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Madam Rhoda.
Sige, kita nga rin. 1, 2, 3. One more. Sapa.
Anong title? Ha? Okay.
Hello. Tagalog lang ito kasi kalimutan ko lang magsalita na waray. The last time I was here in Haro, I was 11 years old. Tapos, ang last to memory is yung fiesta sa Taguig.
Ay, nakaunis man ka rin.
Tapos, yung kadalaga-dalaga
napayawang niya.
namin yung kinakataan.
A big round of applause. Siya lang naman po ay isang barangay captain, barangay Daro. And of course, our presently ABC President of the Municipality of Haro Leyte. A big round of applause for Engineer Sandro Morales. Alright, thank you so much, sir. We are pleased and honored to have you with us today. Alright, so as we continue with our singing competition.
Abdi berdua kayo. please follow and share naman dyan. Dahil malaking tulong na po yan sa akin. Thank you.